Hi, Crafty Friends. It's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day with their families. And that's exactly what we did. We had a wonderful Mother's Day all together. And my daughter, she got me this beautiful bracelet. And it says, "Mom, I love you." And also it says "Mom" with little flowers. And over here, it's a polar bear, and I think it's a polar bear and a baby cub. And she says, "Mommy, that's because you are a mama bear." I love it, love it. So anyway, okay, so today, guys, we're gonna do an unboxing from Jaded Gem Shop. I think this is my second one that I've done for an unboxing. So yeah, so let's open this baby up. And this one, there's a picture. Actually, let me just remove the plastic. Okay. We don't need that. This is the beautiful picture, and we're gonna see it now. And it is all the Jaded Gem Shop paintings are all licensed art, and her paintings are all amazing. It does take, I think, between 3 and 12 weeks to ship, but guys, so worth the wait. Okay. All right, so let's get this baby out. All right, let's see. And you get to choose if you want a round or a square, so you get to choose that. And also you get to choose if you want ABs or glimmer drills or crystals and so on. And you also get to choose the size. So these are the drills. So we're gonna put these aside for now. And I believe this is a little cover minder. See that? It's a little watermelon. Isn't that cute? Actually, let's put this light a little closer for now. And I forgot to turn this one on. Sorry about that. Is that better? Okay, so a cover minder is basically to help you when you're diamond painting. All the diamond paintings have a plastic cover. You peel the plastic, you put the cover minder, which is the watermelon, on top of the painting of the plastic. You put the magnet underneath, and it snaps and it holds the plastic back. So when you go into diamond paint, it's you're able to, because the plastic is out of the way. All right, so this one is called, and I think it's called, let's see if I can pronounce it. Oh Lord, Caelestia Astra, and it's by Lioba Bruckner. Beautiful artist, guys. This artist is from Germany. Okay, so let's open this baby up. I don't think I have anything else in here. Oh, wait a minute, there's some washi tape here. All right, let's see. Oh wait, there's more stuff in here too. So let's get this out. So this is the sticker. There goes the picture. See how beautiful it is. And of course, it's very nice and big. It says Jaded Gem Shop. And then of course it comes with individual stickers, and you can actually put these on your container. All right? So very nice. It's got 69 colors and 3 ABs. And ABs, it means Aurora Borealis. It just means it's going to be a drill with an extra shine. And as you can see, it's got all kinds of symbols. It's got letters. It's got a star. Let's see. I call this a little tree. Okay, so let's just move this. And also a little umbrella there too. And a telephone. Okay, so let's move that aside for now. And as you can see, it's got large release paper, which is nice. Okay, and you can actually cut these up if you want in the size that you want. So I'm going to put that aside. And I'm going to bring the painting, and it is poured glue. Okay, the canvas, very, very soft. This is a 45 by 60. Yeah, this is the size that I picked, but it comes in, I believe, an 80 by 100, 60 by 80, 70 by 90, 80 by 80, and so on. All right, so let's see. So let's look at the top. As you can see, right up here, it says Jaded Gem Shop. Then over here, I don't know if it says Caelestia Astra, and the artist is like Lioba Bruckner. And over here, it's all Jade's old information. Okay, so you can find her. She's got a YouTube channel, her website, and Pinterest. I call it Pinterest. Okay, and down here is the legend. So it's got the picture again. It tells you there's 3 ABs. Okay, And then of course, there goes the picture, like I said, and the legend comes in handy. In the first row, it tells you that it's got 69 colors. These are the symbols. These are the DMC code and the quantity. So I guess it tells you how many drills it has for each of these drills. Okay. Now let's look at this beautiful painting. Let me tell you a little bit about Lioba. Let's see if I can pronounce it. Bruckner. Okay. And she, like I mentioned, she's an artist from Germany, and she likes to explore the fascinating world. Let me just move this back. The fascinating world where ancient history, mythology, and art meet. Okay. So when you look at this painting, it's got like a little bit of all three, right? So you see this beautiful lady. I just love the colors in this painting. There's butterflies here. I'm gonna need the picture because it helps me. Okay, so she's got a beautiful blue butterfly. Then she's got these pink flowers. Okay, I'm sorry. There goes the butterfly. There goes the pink flowers on her hair. It looks like she's, I don't know, it looks like she's very happy, and she looks like she's about to clap, or maybe she's listening to music, you know, and she's about to clap her hands. She's wearing this beautiful dress, absolutely gorgeous. It's got blues and golds and like patterns on the dress. And then back over here, more pink flowers. I'm gonna slide this up. Over here, more pink flowers. Okay, and the beautiful blues. Oh, wow. And then over here, it looks like some kind of vase with some flowers. I think that's a vase. Let's see. And then there's like stars. And it looks like a, I don't know. I don't know if it's like a frame in the background. So you see this up here? It looks like a little frame around. Not sure. And then there's like lace hanging around the painting. And then of course a beautiful large white moon behind her. And of course then again, like I said, you have stars. So you have one very big star here. And you have another one over here. Let's see. I know I saw. Oh, and then you have, so we have white and black stars. Over here you have a black star. And then over here you have another big black star. So it's sort of like it has like also an Egyptian look to it, because she has like a tattoo here. I don't know if it's a tattoo, but some kind of artwork on her neck. And then she has another one right here on her arm, on the back of her arm. And it looks like an eye, and then like some kind of silent. It looks like an Egyptian look to it. And then like it has also a universe, a cosmo look to it, because you got the stars, and of course you have her. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So let's see. The plastic, wow, it's very, very thick, which is nice. I just want to move this over here. Let's see how sticky. Wow, it's very shiny too, and very, very clear. Wow, very, very nice. Very good quality. I'm going to bring it up so you can see. It has a little bit of, well, not a little bit. It has a lot of color blocking on the moon, which means it's going to be the same color. But then it has lots of confetti, and you guys know I like confetti because, I don't know, sometimes color blocking to me, it's a little boring. That's me. But I like the color blocking. It keeps me up, you know? Okay, so I'm going to bring it up so you can see. Look at that. That's the moon, and that's what you call color blocking. It's just going to be the same color for a while. And then, of course, there goes the star. Look at her beautiful face. And then she's got butterflies and flowers all around her. And there goes her neck. I don't know if you can see some kind of symbol, not a symbol, like a tattoo, in her hands. And of course, her beautiful gown. And of course, let's not forget, oh, this vase here. I don't know if you can see that, but everything is very, very clear, guys. And there goes the pink flowers. I love it. Okay, so this is a 45 by 60. That's what I selected. And I selected 3 ABs. Or I just click on ABs. That's what I wanted. And of course, I picked the round drill. All right, so let's move this aside. And, well, I'm going to bring it over here, actually. Put it over there for now. And let's see, what do we have here? So these are the ABs. And the ABs, the drills are all resin, which is very good quality. And so you have 1, 2, and 2, 2. So let's just take out the ABs. I think they said it had 3 ABs, right? Wow. I might have to, I'm not going to take them all out, guys. It's too many. Okay, I'm just going to look for the ABs and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So it only has 3 ABs, which I think is perfect. It's not a huge painting. It's a perfect size, actually. So we got AB 820, which is a very, very pretty blue. Okay, very, very shiny. And then we have AB 3823. It's like a very pretty light yellow. And then the last one is AB 200, which is, I believe this is considered Snow White. Very pretty. All right, and of course, so now we're going to bring back the painting, which is here, and we're going to look to see where these ABs belong in the painting. Okay, and this is when the legend comes in handy. So, but for now, I'm just going to use this. So it looks like this one, AB 820, is, let's see. Okay, let's see if I can find it. I don't know if that's called a spade. All right, let's see. So it's blue. So up here, I don't see any there, but you definitely see it up here. So that's like the background. So you have some in the background. Let's see, how about on the butterfly? And then you have more over here. That, again, that's the background. Over here, background. None on the butterfly. Let's see. Over here, again, that's the background. Some over here. It looks like it's going to be, actually, is this part of her hair? No, that's part of the background. So it looks like it's going to be scattered because I see it down here. All the way down here, which is the background. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be here again in the background. Okay, so that's going to look very pretty, and it's sprinkled, which is nice. All right, and then the next one is AB 3823. So I'm going to look at this again, and it's like 2 little lines going this way. Okay, like a little mustache. That's what it looks like. All right, so let's see, and it's yellow. So yep, I see it here. I see some here on the moon. Okay, so that's going to look very pretty. Then you have some here. Okay. Some over here. Very, very little there. Again, over here. And that looks like it's a circle. So I don't know if that's like another, just a little round. Let's see. Yeah. It's like something round with little, I don't know, maybe like a little, looks like a little bit of a little planet. I don't know. It's just very cute. And then you have more over here on the moon. Wherever's that light yellow. And then of course down here, but it's like scattered on the pottery and the plants. Okay? Sprinkled. Let's just say sprinkle. That's a better word. All right, let's put that aside. And of course the last one is AB 5200, and it's like a little person. And I think it's going to be on the moon, mostly on the moon, which is beautiful. Oh, wow. So it's mostly on the moon. Okay, some over here on the pink flower. Very little here also on the pink flower. Any on her face? Nope. Let's see, where else? All right. It looks like it's going to be on the moon mostly, and some sprinkled on the pink flowers, because the pink flowers have like pink and white. And yeah, I love it. I can't wait to start this one. And this artist, Jaded Gem Shop, has beautiful paintings. This is not the only one. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, go give it a try, guys. I think you will love the paintings that she offers. And thank you very much. And I hope you all